Kyung. I'm 10 years old. My family is mother, grandmother, grandfather, and aunt. My hobby is cooking. I like cooking because my grandmother is great cook. Sometimes I help her. I interested in ball. I like catch the ball. In my downtime, I play game. I like playing game. My hometown is Masan, and my friend is Sojun. I like playing Uno with Sojun together. Favorite part in English camp is make about my own diorama. In the future, I will be vet because I like animals like bugs and fish. I will live in Masan because I will live in now Masan with my family. I want to continue to live with my family, and I want to have a kind family. I love a lot of money. Korea will use good technology in the future. Thank you.
1、2间。